this proves that there's like Telford, Rochdale, Rotherham, Oldham, Oxford, all of these places all across the country. It just shows that there's such a lack of joint up working. And actually, if the police were able to share information with other police forces and local authorities were able to share that information as well, maybe this would be something that would be closed down or disrupted much more easily. And I think that lack of sharing of information is one of the really big problems that you know, enables this crime to continue happening. The main thing, though, I think that is across the board, and the reason why it's you know, so easy for it to happen everywhere, is there's such a problem still within people's attitudes towards the young people who are victims of exploitation, and also towards the perpetrators. And while we stick with stereotypes and we stick with, you know, victim blaming and shaming of young people for being in really dangerous, scary situations, nothing will change. So I do think that although it's the responsibility of the police and the local authorities and, you know, everybody who has sort of a professional responsibility to children, it's also the responsibility of society to make sure that they are looking after every child everywhere as well. And if they see something that makes them feel uncomfortable, that they are reporting it in. Because one thing that we have learned away from the inquiry is that so many people saw things but nobody did anything with that information. And it would have meant that if we had gone to criminal trial, there would have been other people's witness accounts to back up what we were saying. And sometimes it's so difficult to speak for yourself, especially as a child. You need just those extra eyes and ears and people talking to the authorities about what's happening.